How can I improve my note-taking skills? Are you struggling to keep up with your classes and feel like your notes just aren't cutting it? Let's talk about how you can improve your note-taking skills to boost your focus and productivity. First, it's important to capture key facts and main ideas instead of trying to write down everything your teacher says. Pay close attention to what your teacher repeats or emphasizes, as this usually signals important information. When you take notes, try to write in your own words. This helps you understand and remember the material better. Instead of full sentences, use short phrases to keep up with the pace of the lesson. This way, you can jot down the essence of what is being taught without getting overwhelmed. Organizing your notes clearly is another key step. Use headings, bullet points, or numbered lists to separate main topics from supporting details. This structure makes it easier to review later. You can also incorporate colors or symbols to highlight important points or group related ideas, but it is best to do most of the coloring after class to avoid distractions during the lesson. Different note-taking methods can also help you find what works best for you. For example, the outline method involves writing main points with indented supporting details beneath them. This helps you see how ideas connect. Another approach is the Cornell method, which divides the page into sections for notes, cues, and summaries. This layout makes reviewing more effective. After class, take some time to review your notes. Add summaries, clarify any confusing parts, and include examples discussed in class. This process helps you remember the material better and deepens your understanding. Writing your notes by hand instead of typing can also improve your focus and memory. Writing by hand forces you to process the information more deeply, which can be beneficial. Creating a good study environment supports better note-taking as well. Find a quiet, well-lit space free from distractions where you can focus fully during class and when reviewing your notes. Using study groups can also be helpful. Discussing material with classmates can add new perspectives and fill in any gaps in your notes. Improving your note-taking skills involves listening actively, writing key points in your own words, organizing notes clearly, reviewing and summarizing after class, and practicing in a distraction-free environment. By adopting these habits, you will stay focused and make your study time more productive.